I was booked as an MC. Ke ena ra chiftelwa hayi vele tafule sele ready bojwala bo itsele bona Santin tu re fitla Santin re thola vele se ba re emetse ba re countile gore banyana maybe re 8 re no ho be monate how shapa clap ya kwala ka thucho clap ya kwala ibo where's the owner mara ke a bona setup e ga re sena le dithuthung ai molo shapa ba ma 3 ba tla chelta ka nano because ke ikutlwa ka mo sekitawa hayi vele ona ifihla ntwana imali yami are no inkinga yi ngine gigi enye for way so le gigi le izobhadala more than le na ibalance yakho mara amfika litso amfi wamponsa ungawari na inyuko korobatsa ini security ke a otsela kimo security lena sa itsatse
hayibo
I'm like hayibo ba re countile gore banyana maybe re 8 se ba re countile gore se rena le batho ba ro
3, 2, 1 action.
Sani Manani Zimelang, everybody. Welcome back to Soweto Podcast. It's your girl Tamika Kesso back again with another bang. Today I get Before we step into it, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Oh, and also become a member. Again, don't forget to become a member. And thank you guys so much for the comments, the beautiful and the negative ones. I appreciate both. Thank you guys so much. You are helping us to grow, and we appreciate it. We appreciate everything that you guys are saying, right? Now let's step straight into today's business. Hello, Choy.
hi chuchu
How are you?
Ishafwena
My friend.
wena
Okay, please introduce yourself. Yeah, and the rest, you know how it goes.
lebitso la ka ke Khomotso my surname is Lefutso ke dula ko Proticlan I'm a very bubbly person. I'm an MC, I'm a DJ, I'm an actor. I'm also a beauty therapist. Yeah, so ke tswaletswe ko Foslorasi. I'm from a family of 4. I'm the second one. But I'm known as To Smith.
Okay.
That's my stage name.
Oh, To Smith. Yes,
To Smith,
Manyana. I
yeah.
can allow a celebrity girl. Okay, Chobi, so today let's story say.
Yo, today ke letetse ka story sa groove went wrong.
Jesus. Okay. What happened?
So what happened is I was booked as an MC. So I'm booked and ke thola booking ya teng ka chomi yaka.
Okay.
Gore chomi ya ibotla ko kenye ba batla motho ko maboneng. Ke a tsamaya vele lena. Preparation on point and o tsebe bana le theme Rimbo. Ka tsamaya here ya ko maboneng. Ha re fihla ko maboneng ke a kena nna ka 10. Ke ene ke MC go be monate go be massive. Ke tswe ka 11 re dile mo fatshe gereana. To start with bampatetse deposit.
Okay.
Yeah. Bampatala deposit le nna ke a gotshala ra ba se ban file deposit ya balance bana ba sokodisa bo because I ban file am not deposit sharp. Re tsamaye re fihle mole ke etse mosebetsi wa ka ke fetsetsa mosebetsi wa ka ba re kona re dule hanyane ba tla mfa later ai vele re dule mgroove o reng go se monate re no ho be monate how shapa clap ya kwala ka thucho clap ya kwala ibo where's the owner Tshwa ngifuna imali yami Fungamba mina manje. Funa ukuthi vesi. Yeah, hayi akasamona owner. Hayi shapa re dula nyana. Mara ke a bona setup e. Ga re sena le dithuthung because there were dancers. It was me and MC and there was 2 DJs tsa banyana. Kaofela re sets mara club ba tswa hanyana. So sala rena fela re dutse motafole. How Hennessy kene fa. Baba, a re kene ko Hennessy. Mara re kena sontse ke ntwana. Nyugo How years manje in redule. Ai molo shapa ba ma 3. Ke ra no. Ba tla chelta ka nano. Because ke ikutlwa ka mo sekitawa. Hayi vele ona ifihla. Ntwana imali yami are no inkinga yikho. Ngine gigi enye for wena. So le gigi le izobhadala more than le. Na ibalance yakho. Mara amfika litso amfi wamponsa ungawari na inyuko. Hayi kira gigi engwe. Hayi bo akilo kontlunglo robala mos korobatsa ini plus ke singleton bo gone again re kai masaite ale abo Alexander le bo Lindest le bo Brimley View ka mo jwanong ka tala khumbi cho groove ring mo khumbi go monate per re tswa le ka di window banyana ba mi riritsa maya so re fihle ko groove so go tletse kene re kena aibo re kena bile ka re di celebrity wa itsene ka re a ke re jwanong remo ene ra pere theme ka ofela re mo re blue and white ra kena ke ena ra chiefkelo hayi vele tafole se le ready bojwala bo itseng le bona ai tjho ke la ka ithola ke no Astropez ke a botsa for the first time ke no Astropez nana Astropez mo di mahenes ka mo ne re na di savana can you imagine
Jesus.
reno ntwana manje Mike ke batla Mike ne ke batla sebetsa kusheshe hayi ungabari mahlala kancane tsamaye nako tlapele maybe kwala ka bo 11 motshiare ha batho ba kerekeng yona ya kwalo hayibo re dule hayi mole after bo ma hour ba re Mike ba mfe Mike ai mtse ba kgetso Smith a itse ntho tsa tumeng ka tsona se ba ninga ba ifuni ye ke he bona go be monate tshoge ko staging ba fethu nka yeng ya mo le mfele balance yaka ke batla o vaya wait hayi nga ska rasa wa isinya dule he bototoza again klapu batla o kwalwa ha batla kwala ke a bona mane o phuthuwa mathini ke ra isele nako tseo re kenywa ape mo khumbing tho ke re jwanong bara angeke sin ubele from la iuba ingeni so sizonibeka egarage sin ubele khona abutolang khaile cheltaka esa shoti lo shota choma ke kenye mo matsweleng le mo skhwameng se ke le grand no anytime ke ubela tsamaya haibo a re sa fitla garage choma re fitli garage a ke tsebe re fitile garage tse ikae ke raibo ne le sa re den yeres garage bara ungawari mputshishi santin tu koloi ena butole wa driver hle santin tu re fitla santin re thola vele se ba re emetse ba re countile gore banyana maybe re 8 se ba re countile re sernal bat ba rona le kopile ba re beetse if ra sho if banna ba shota re tlo mthola kopile re fitla ho etsalang no ke re mngani ungifakele le gig bangisokolisa manje okay ngiyabonga ngitholeni igig ngibhadaliwe mara hayi mngani angeke phela so sesiphuma utshwala ngamakhala nendlebe kunini isiphuza angeke bathi relax batle vele bo abutibale ke batho ba kontle batle ba shebe ba bue language ya bone re sa e utlwi ngai sharp ke a tshoga jwanong re hayi man and then ke raibo bokhalate ke tlo bontsha no ba tlo mpona no ke nka string ke ba mohlong kara tlanamela stlha motlhare ntiti tlanamela stlhare haibo re tshoge mo koloing ge a re tshoga mo koloing e be taba ene mo re emeng ko teng ne it's a beautiful place gontle mo le ko santseng haibo abutele a re kona why are you acting strange other people are relaxed when you want to go ke re chum kopo buele o akatla ka yena ena se owner na kopa wena o address this guy a re am address are emanyana ke buile wena ke bua le o why wena ba tlo tsamaya bana ba bang ba sa ba tlo tsamaya ke ra ya ba tlo tsamaya na phela se ke a bona mission e aibo nna se bang kgethetse mong he a ke re ke am sheba ka ro kala mtaxi wrong chum you I'm like never hayi angeke ngibuila andizi nange Pat Kamandela andizi hayi shapo he se re choose oba choose ngena ntsazama wetsa di small talk unyana how you relax man don't worry in go gating go re leng ko teng go na le security I'm like bona today o koyele ya di security for bala ko teng until ke hlaphuhelwe ke thole uba ke ko ntlong ngane ya tla ncenya ngane ke magroovist ge ngane ntho tse utlwaetse mara nna ntenya obo ngane atla tshumi mamela sizosuka la sinenyuke ningabi ke okay siyahosha ke ra intwe tse 99 o re a gosha or re tlo dula re ke pool party or whatever nkenye I don't know asigoshi mara if umuntu yafuna une right ukuthi amgaye ke raibo 1 + 1 is 2 ho ke ra mina chuma ngikho interested angisahlalanga ke manje ngana ntsangitshwe hayi chuma ihlala anginenge chuma ihlala in akere jwana ke rata le diaparo ari yo chuma yakhumbula ukuthi last week botho ufuna uthenga in hayi uzoyithenga ke mawusuka la ke re party ke tshwerechisa mo muskishap ke ready re tsamaya ba tsamaya mole wa arguiwa ke a bona gore jwanong o ka re arguela ngwanyana o mongwe maybe o chisa o feta everyone o batliwa ke ba i-3 kare this is my chance to live hayi bona ke ile ka ema kaya ka ko security ka fitla ko security kae ke teng kopa o mbolele something ke mo pleke ke eng like strata play I don't know and it's a building name and just a strata are okay ma o funa uber o tlo tlamela o tswe ka gate o yemele mole but ke tla o thusa uber ka rena ba tlo uber no ke burara le uber mhlomo ke tlo feta ka nna ke tlo robala mos I'm like no kopa o dula le wena mo ai are no problem ka dula le security janong mputshish security se ke dutse ke a o tsela ke mo security lena sa etsatse
Haibo.
I'm like, aibo. What's alarm? Kare, my day is not going well. Sasha Pat. I'm like, Exalio magie. Kar exalio magie. Kar bula gate e. Kampan ka tsamaya. Ha bula ka remote ka tsamaya chume ka walk. Mole ke rai re ke ube ka re se ke o kile distance nyana ka uba. Yangana go he uba lona o fihla. Yanka nako ba tsika uber he ka thola uber ka khutlela ko ntlong ntwe ke leng ka irapela yona phone la macala mina sengizendlini hayi bo macala ngishuthela nepo uyaphutshelwa macala ba tsamile ba lo ba rekela diaparo ba intse pool party ba reketse diaparo ba rekela di costume so wa swimiwa ho monate kara hayi macala mina ngigrand ngisendlini ngisafe imali yami iphelele qhubeka wena nalo msebenzi wakho mina ngizingeni. So my groove went wrong on that day.
And then, what you mean, magabuya uthini manje?
Ichome ke pari.
No popile bokae so?
A ka mplela. Because ntho ke tsebang ke ba letsatsile. Ile ngisho ngayo. Though asantwetsa untwetsa fela hayi re le raro bala mara ra etsa next. Ayibo jwang.
Wa
ka tswalwa maobane. Akatswala maobane. I'm like, ungangenza islima. Wena ba penetrate. I don't know, never. Naka nyugo khutlile le yona.
Ale monate ke. So gele yena o sebetsa eng?
Ke wetsa hosting wa hosta wa hosta wena wa dance.
So who kene yalo ka di khona.
No, yena has been my friend from long. So ke a tseba vele dilitsa hae. Di mnat. Ke tlo patala. Di dilitsa di mnat. Yeah.
Wena o kgetha ho tshwaela magcine la short to $1 million. I'm not taking this million.
Aibo. Aibo again.
Okay, so what was the biggest regret about this entire event?
I think I regret not who tisamanzi ka batla tšhelete yaka from the first event. Yeah, because if never feel tšhelete yaka from that first event, ne tlo khona re ke ipoltsele ke khotele ko ntlong. But jwanong.
So the money guy again and zaletsamisa so.
Yo abona bo abuti ba le ba di mabanta shinang. Le dikipa tsele tse ka reng dina le di
Versace.
Where yo ke bona bao.
Okay, ene ke wa kam.
Yeah, yena kwa kam. Yena kwa kam marudila le ba le bakakwa. I'm like mo re tlo qetella mo se rekisa le ntashingana. I'm like andiz nakancane nangepata kaMandela futhi angizi Chomi. I never.
Yo.
Wena nokletsa jwang Chomi?
Yo, sawubona.
Ene wena uligwala.
$1 million tabe ke di shebile so. Side eye. Mara nashe once I feel uncomfortable I leave same time like.
Ne. Mara no tlo siya tšhelete. So sebeditse.
No mara ke tshwere something. Ebile ke grele double for my trouble. So it's enough for the pocket, you know? It's not get greedy, I know. It's just greed. Where's the handle?
Kabatisha ne.
Yeah. So what do you think would have happened if you stayed actually?
Akiti maybe ne batlo nka spashka forced or
what gave you that vibe?
The language that they were speaking ne. It was too much in a way no bona re khona le di arguments khona le something wrong. Wabo and wa bona or maybe abana pelo ne ba ka yetsa today and then aka usani bona ba tsoa ba le grand abana taba as long as I feel tšhelete go sharp. So yeah.
So it was giving, not safe.
Chomi, it was not safe.
Okay, Chum. So, to understand this, you went to a gig, you got deposit, and you were deceived. Okay, this deposit shady. So, okay, relax, gig. How are you feeling the time? I trust this person because now it's a whole 3 hours. You're coming back telling me you have more money for me, but you're showing me the money, not giving the money. What's happening?
You know the love of a hustle, the love of the passion behind my talent of being an MC and a dancer. I think I'm push another gig. Maybe I might get a better exposure. Maybe I might exchange numbers. Remember, is the dancers, body MC, lead DJ. You need to go somewhere for you to be recognized. So ne ke batla ntho eo, ke bone opportunity mo ka re no ke aya mo. Ke aya na kanjani. Mara I knew hore tlo mpatala.
Oh, okay.
I knew tlo mpatala. Ai man. A ke re ba tseba tshom. Ba le ba ke pa ka re na di dipoko mo. Dipoko ba dentse so. Shine with silver. Ebe ba red mo ba purple nyana. Ke bona bo ke magudzumela. Ke bo magudzu.
Sure. So I can imagine. Now you speaking of being an MC and everything, and edi gigi di atla no, ke re batse ba gore ke nako ya gore vele go iwe kanje. Wena re o thola jwang if o batla go booka? Since what you dance, you're an MC, you do all those things, you're an artist.
On TikTok, they go Andoyiki Smith. On Facebook, they go Tso Smith. On Instagram, I'm also Tso Smith. So DKJ, my numbers are there on my bio. Ungazeke ungfonele. Undi WhatsApp for a business. Unganlibe nje unfonele zonxabanisa nabantu bam.
So good when nabantu abaningi cho.
It depends who's asking.
I get it. I get it.
Depends who's asking.
Okay, Chomi, so I hear you. What about they must be careful. Do you think you'll do such a thing again?
Wow, Chomi.
Because I can't do that.
I will. I'll definitely will, but I'll be driving on that day.
Okay.
Yeah, that day I'll be driving.
Hey, speaking of the Uber issue, why did you have to wait for you to get sober or request it? Or did you have to wait with the security guy? Like, what took you so long? Why didn't you just leave immediately when you felt like it's time to be a gone girl now?
Baba, why is it beer? Beer it up, and when you need to decide. So, beer and winere, I grew up on a savannah.
Okay.
Savannah nere, bona. Arvai. Ne? And a coming along tiny savannah. Alan can't trail. Come walking in Enes. Enes, chill. Have a thought. Abo. Ay, Mara Astro. Astro ne carcapere di hili. Un trapile au sol. Ay, bo. Ne carcapere di hili. Ne kimela like mauto.
Is she that bad?
Maybe
it's the combo.
Maybe it's the punch.
Yeah.
I patai. Ne tutuile. Remember, I MC the whole night. And then we went to another gig, Kalo MC for that hour. And already, it past 11 in the morning.
And then you still had to go to another groove round. And then what time did you leave from that place?
Zang sa cheka linako. Ntweke tsebang itsekile mo ubeng batho ne baya kerekeng or ne ba buya, I don't know. Mara ne khotsa ga movement. No go le busy mo strateng. No go le busy.
No, I can imagine. Being hungover, the sun is hot outside.
Chomi, ke se hangover. Ne ke santsane ke tlhapetswe.
Jesus.
Ne ke santsane ke tlhapetswe. I was still within. Hai, Chomi, ke le bala o bolella. Ha se ke ngala, ka re Astro 2. Ka re 2 more, ka re 1 more. Ka ra stores. I need to be nisithengele bona. Datsho nditsutsuma ngapho.
So overdosis and neso abatla go check.
No, never say by two ban lateletse. One of the dancers, two of the dancers never latella. Chomi, we are in. Oh, wak a chomi. Ay bo. Usi fubeng zabua so ube so. Modi mas fub. All right to happy jwang. Oh happy.
Mara di chomi ne.
Mara be.
O feel a choice.
Ke mo rata.
Wena kwana tshwantse o decide gore choice yone o tseya e feng. Wa bo at least ha ga tshomi e ga buya eng o go jwetsitse go bona wena sala o kry meter go tsamaya.
Mara
It's up to
tlamele
you.
a nkenye gore meter o ithola jwang.
Ne.
What is expected from me? Ai are if wa batla gore bala le ena o tla re bala le ena. If a o batla o batla. Ke ena o tsebang drawing board ele le puzzle o e tseba hantle. And you know the dancers ne ba sena stress batho bale. Like baba ne le nna nje o kare o batla o tsamaya go bispachi mina nya sigcina. Bona ne ba le happy ne ba le sharp.
Ba shebile vele gore yo. Malengaga.
Ka mo ke botjwala.
Going shopping. Kama baba tshiri ka shopping engu so the shopping list is cancelled now. It's
Jom.
already sorted. Next is what?
Aba ba fi reason ya hore o tsamelang. Okay, ke a tsamaya because of a kena diaparo. Ai, sawara. A re tsamayeng re reka diaparo. Se le mtshehare already. Le batla o swima. A re rekang di swimming costume. Wa bona tšhelete ne le teng.
Mara tshomi o bila khutla safe though.
O dula khutla safe.
Okay, game ya high vele.
Ke game ya hae o dula khutla safe.
Mara wena there's nothing to be scared of. Inene fela paranoia hene. Sene si better paranoia ka itse. Yeah, there was nothing to be scared. But you made a good
You better
decision.
be safe
Then so.
than sorry, Cho.
Yeah, because you never know what would have happened.
And a kere ke ngwanyana wa letheka le le sesane. Wa marawa sa Batman. Ka mo le di hips di teng. Ka mo ke yellow.
Ne batla
Wa
go rekisa-
calculator.
Wena ne
Like
ba
re o
fetsa-
tshwere ngwana o sa mtsebise. Wa nkwekana wa oga for me.
Oh, so ne le bo oga.
Ne le bo oga Chomi ya kere ka o
South
bolela.
Africa. No, South Africa is over.
South
South Africa
Africa.
is over.
South Africa Chomi. South Africa mara Chomi mo le no go le go ntle ko Santini. Like something was saying ska tata wa isenya ne. Mare ngwe re ai man. Ke tenwa ke dithutu tse ya ntse se di etsega gore ai man. Wa ka ra pheriwa mo. Ene ba mpherileng le ena. Ke last number ya kitsiang. Like ibutsi ya ko mining. Mo
what
khaba
way?
ke ole. Ka mo o montshubole socho. Skipa se sa hao. Ka mo nko ke ele ka re tlo nkela oxygen nja ka re mba. Oxygen ya ka kon a ke re wa bona nkwa ka nyane
Oh
jwang.
my God.
You Chomi bekukuningi man. Bekukuningi.
Yeah.
But I don't regret to tsamaya. I don't regret. But my fear engwe ne le yona Uber driver ne ke se comfortable le mo ubeng eo. Amara ke mqoqisa Chomi. Shapa ka mqoqo hore a be right ka mo ke tshwere phone ya ka le nna ntse ke navigatela hore o ya mo ke yang na. Wa e bontshe jwalo. But yeah, ke ile ka fihla safe.
At least.
Ke ile ka fihla safe ka bona hore ke tsang Chomi.
O bore kantse. O rekileng.
Chomi in the morning ke ya ke re bonang namahlo is on me. Tlayang my other people. Ka ba rekela namahlo nyana. Ba kenya di drinks phela you can not sponsor. O ka se reke namahlo e bo reka di drinks. Mara ne ba le happy ka namahlo ke la bona.
Sure. Advice for the youth because vele wamona Easter is coming now and banyana ke bo kanganje. In case ba kopana le such a thing, how do you identify that kind of a problem from a distance? Because vele dilo re di bona se re kene.
Yeah, wa bona e ya hore ba o rekele bojwala ko plekeng. Ke bona etse a ona no. At least nane ke bookiwe. But no ke bona ba sebedisa ya o rekela bana ba o rekela ma 2000 especially bojwala and then ba banka jwalo. So they must be very very careful.
So would you identify it to kidnapping or kering? What do they call it? Kasekho.
Le ba o rekisa di Chomi ya etseya it depends. Sometimes o tlo thola hore ba tlo kidnapper or maybe ba o rekise mmele wa hao. Understand?
Oh, you were giving those no kra di vibes nyana tse mo yena.
Chomi tšhelete mo le ne.
Mme hlala ka bana.
Mo quantum ele ka re nako ne ba e balla ka mo morao. No ka re gips. O ka dlala. Ha.
Mo teng motho o tlalang ka
Akala kwata Chomi o ra ka dlala. I'm kidding how. Ine ile ditaka ka ditaka. Let's go dimela batho ba le rekele bojwala ko plekeng ene le skanwa a o ka toilet wa sia bojwala o ska hlelo bunwa o velo botsholle and another thing o ska kala makolo ya motho sa o sa mtsebeng a bona tse 3 and a re tlweleng o rata ya re bolaya.
No, I'm glad. Thank you for your time, Chami. La utlwa, Santini. Intle hampi. Ya kunyana. Walala wasala. Pick and choose. Good or bad. Uzosikethela. Ningayi ngabangani guys. Abangani bahlakaniphile bayazi ukuthi bona basurvive kanjani le game le. So now ungena game ini wazi ukuthi uzosurvive now. Ungangeni ulele. Otherwise,
Usho wena ke go betsa.
no, not for you, baby. For Baba, I don't know they are gullible enough to go. That's it. And the next thing, but I think I regret later on. Yeah, let's avoid regrets, guys. Make sure you live your life to the fullest so you never regret anything. That's the best, right?
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much. I love you. Peace out.